Thomas the GoPro.
Are we having fun yet, Sam?
I'm having a ball.
All right.
Thank you for mentioning that. PC rescued Bill's cup. He went back and found it. What?
What's that?
PC rescued Bill's cup. He went back up to the camp, was pulled over, and he went out to the campsite and got it.
All right.
They couldn't find hers.
Couldn't find Polly Beach.
You just missed it, Joe. Well, when I saw it, you just missed it and it moved.
Oops.
And look how it blends in though, isn't that amazing?
Yes.
He was late on the trail.
No, I walked right by him. I didn't see him.
I was going to move the
No,
rock.
let me have this stick.
There's his head. Now you can get a good. Oh, he's not liking that. Whoop.
No.
No, he's.
I wish I did. It's good.
Being up there.
You know it's French because French always put their timbers vertically.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Remember over when we made that historic trip over to St. Genevieve, George, we did the safe plant at lunch.
I don't remember that.
Yes.
Oh, honey,
But
you've
a
forgotten
lot
all
of-
the good
That's all
stories.
French, and the French, for some reason, who knows, French did that.
Yeah.
And maybe some cocaine.
See, I've never done that. Look at the sags.
Yeah, that's a change. That's
That's in
different.
a little worse shape than
Yeah,
it used
that
to
was not
be.
like that when we were here before.
What's the size? The ground fills up so it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I don't think I ever knew
There's
that.
2 or 3 places that we've spotted when we took our time along here where you could see they'd had Mills Stream Dam.
Yeah.
And they dammed it up through there.
Just to divert the water into the water wheel,
Yeah.
which isn't here anymore. Yeah,
And
that's
it's
just
so pretty. There's
spoiling
just,
it.
that's just a blue that you just can't. We're talking about how we used to tie up right back there in that little water